Hi guys, Kai here from Rykers Life NT. On this episode, we will be rebuilding our old boat trailer. We will be grinding, cutting out old rusted cross members, welding new cross members, adding new rollers and slides, loading the boat and setting up the trailer to suit. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Hey guys, Kai here from Rykers Life NT. Just got another project going. We're just fixing up this little trailer. So we need a better trailer for our little tinny. Put out these cross braces all the way through. We're going to replace that, and we're going to replace the back section. Everything else looks pretty good on it. It's not too much rust. There's a little bit of rust in here. We'll look at fixing. But yeah, we'll cut all that. Put probably 3 new braces in. Polish it all up. Give it a clean. That'll do, mate. Just drag it out. This is day 2 of the little boat trailer build. It's got the fan crank. It's probably in the hottest part of the yard. We're just going to measure up the cross members now. We bought some 50 by 50 RHS, galvanized RHS, and we're going to cut them up. We'll fit them in and weld them in. So we just went to the local Total Weld down here. Bought a few cans of, what is it? Silver zinc, just to touch up all our parts and grind it. Got 3 cans of that. So I'm going to show you this. So it was actually $132 for 25 ultra thin blades. We managed to get this. This is 100 blades for $200, but you get a, what do you get? You get a tape measure and a pair of socks. So I went with that one. How was that? I just opened it up. It's the same blades anyway. So this box on its own was 130, what did I say, $32. 100 of them, a pair of nice big socks, and a flash tape measure, $200. So we've just welded in the cross braces. Now what we do, we're going to hit them with a wire wheel, let them cool down, and we'll buff them up. And then we'll drill a 25mm hole through the center of each one. And then we'll put 25mm holes on the top of the ends of each one, so we can jam a hose down there and clean all the stuff out. I think that's half the problem when people make trailers, is when they do it, they cut these little slices, they get them galvanized, and when you go through a dirt track or something, those pipes fill up with dirt, the holes aren't big enough to actually wash all the salt and all the rubbish out, and then that's why you get all that build up of rust in the ends and or from the inside rust out. So we'll do a bigger hole so we can flush it. We'll give it a good paint. Ideally we like to galvanize it. We'll have a look into that in the future, but just for now we're just gonna drill the holes so we can wash them, salt them off, and hopefully it'll last a bit longer. So I just wanted to show you, while I was explaining about washing the salt water out and getting inside the frame, this is the last drain plug that they had. So it looks like they've just dropped the grinder in, maybe a 4mm blade on it or whatever it is, and just notched out a little thing. But if you can see, the galvanizer is actually filled up and almost blocked it, and it's fully blocked. So when this piece goes into the water, fills up with water, all that's going to happen is that salt water is just going to sit in there. It's going to take a long time to drain out, and it's probably just going to get blocked by dirt anyway. And that's why you've got all this rust here. I've got to repair another hole in the frame as well because of that reason. Yeah, so just have good drain holes, good wash holes and stuff like that, and then when you wash your trailer out, you just jam a hose in there, give it a good blast. We just got Trent over there to cut some guards off an old frame we've got, and then we're going to paint up these welds. We'll replace that one section, so that's good. All new 3 struts, and now we'll look at putting all the axles and stuff like that in. Hey guys, just been shopping, bought some new shackles and stuff for the boat. So we're going to start mounting all of them up and getting all that ready. Also got a new jockey wheel over there, and we'll install that as well. So I've just drilled the 3 drain holes, just 1, 2, 3 through those cross beams, just so we'll be able to flush it out and stuff like that. And I've just obviously we've bolted all the U-bolts on, done the back shackles, plus I've put in a engine prop holder, and then yeah, just gave this a bit of a tidy up, hit it with a bit of rust converter, and now we'll look at putting the tyres on and flipping it over. Just finished drilling the holes, so I drilled holes in the tops here. And the reason for that is so when I go in the salt water, because it's not galvanised, I can just stick a hose in there and just fill it up with water with some salt off and just really give it a good flush, if you know what I mean. Instead of it just filling up with salt water and then just sitting there. So hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. I'm not completely sure, but we'll see how it goes. Now I'm just going to go over to this trailer and cut the guards off that, and they're going to get welded onto this one. So we chopped off the guards off that one. Bloody hot work. Now I'm going to weld these guards onto these bits here. Off my head. Some of that. Should be good to go, I think. So now all the guards are welded on. So now we're just going to go through, put all the brackets on for the slides and rollers. So we just pretty much finished the trailer, we just got to set it all up now. So all the rollers are in, all the slides are in, we got the front bit on, and the jockey wheel. Guards are on, so now it's just a case of yeah, putting the boat on and adjusting it. Hey guys, so that's pretty much it for this build. Actually fits perfectly, this boat. Got new slides. We're going to get some new wheels, don't worry about those wheels. Got some tie down points for the boat. Yeah, it come up pretty good. Thanks for watching guys, appreciate it, bye.